So we agreed now there is two types of cylinders. There is this cylinder, this one, with the curve in the end, and the other cylinder, the ordinary cylinder. This one is basic cylinder, everyone knows it. But this one he has a lot of tricks. This one you can buy a pump and plug it to this type of cylinder and it won't work. It won't work for you. That's the problem. So I'm gonna show you in this video how to override this problem. When you buy a pump, what criteria you should respect when you buy the pump for your cylinder. Okay? So follow me and continue with me. So we took a pump and we dismantled the pump to show you the difference. Okay? So everyone can dismantle a pump and knows the components. There is a lot of videos on internet explain how to dismantle a pump. So this is the parts, this is the parts, ordinary parts. Look, this is it. So everyone can knows how to dismantle a pump. Okay, but there is some tricks now I need to show you to understand which one works for which one. Okay, sorry for my poor English, but I'm going to teach you one time. So for this type of cylinder, the straight cylinder, the type of pump who works with it very fine, the pump who have the control valve with two holes, only two holes. Remember, the pump who have control valve, every pump have control valve, but the control valve itself have the difference. Okay, the difference is in control valve. There is a control valve with two holes, and there is control valve with only one hole in the side. So this control valve here, you have hole. Here is it. When you rotate it again, you got another hole here. So this type of control valve only works with the straight cylinder. Remember, guys, the control valve who have only one hole on the side, like this, one here, and when you rotate, one here. There is no other hole here. That means this pump works with the straight cylinder. Remember, with no curve in the end. The control valve with two holes, only two holes. Remember, don't let these holes distract you. Only these holes with the seals. Hole here when you rotate, another hole here without a hole here. Remember, this pump work with the straight cylinder. How you can know she have a control valve with one hole in the side? When you have the pump, what you do? You push, you pump, and you rotate. When you rotate your control valve, the control valve should be placed like this. When you rotate it on the side, keep rotating it like to this, like the up. When you try to up your cab, and rotate, and you keep pumping. Oil should come from one direction. If oil come from one direction, from these holes, you should even block your one hole and keep pushing. If it come with like example, one from this hole only, and when you rotate your control valve the opposite direction and give the oil from this hole only, even when you block it with your hand, and still give it from this direction only, not this direction, only from one direction, from this direction. And when you switch the control of the other side, you give from the other direction. And when you block it with your hand, it doesn't give no oil from the other port. That means this pump work with what? With the strict cylinder. With the strict cylinder. This cylinder. This one. Okay?